Nationwide data shows school shootings are on the rise with a record 349 incidents recorded in 2023. Last year saw a small drop in recorded incidents, but shooting threats are top of mind for school administrators and parents. New technology is helping in that fight with expanded weapons detection systems.
If you think of airport security, sometimes things still get through. So to have something that can see through backpacks and detect that weapon without us having to physically touch the backpack, it's a game changer.
The newest idea comes out of Carnegie Mellon using Wi-Fi signals and artificial intelligence. Channel 11's Nicole Ford shows us how it's being tested and built at a local school district right here in Allegheny County.
Inside Chartiers Valley High School, security is not an afterthought, but a priority.
If our students aren't safe when parents drop them off, nothing else matters.
As decades pass, technology evolves. You have metal detectors, walk-through weapon detection, even artificial intelligence on the camera system. But what's next?
Non-intrusive weapon detection, where administrators don't have to search a student or administrators don't have to search a backpack. That's a game changer for the safety in public schools.
That game changer is being built right here in Western Pennsylvania, using research from Carnegie Mellon University to turn a school's existing Wi-Fi into an invisible shield that can see what the camera can't.
We send signals and they bounce off of a lot of surfaces, and essentially through all those iterations of bouncing off surfaces, when they come back to our device, we get a sense of what all it was bounced off of, and we can almost paint a picture just through kind of lasers bouncing off of different surfaces.
It's called CurvePoint's YAI, and you don't even know it's operating as you can't see it. The system is being tested right now inside Chartiers Valley to detect weapons with those Wi-Fi signals.
In most of our concealed cases, we have just handguns, but we have had data where we collect with rifles, shotguns, knives, obviously. So we wanted to know different shapes and sizes of weapons and what could be a threat.
This is what administrators see. A student with a backpack captured on the school's cameras coming in the door is the top view. The bottom is the Wi-Fi signal image. Do it again, but this time the student has a handgun concealed in the bag, and the system detects it and sends out an alert to the school resource officer.
If it becomes something that's a bigger threat, like an open carry gun, then that's something that we actually surface even higher. We're working closely with third parties to integrate in dispatch services so that when something like that happens, immediately we have a dispatch alert that can go out.
Chartiers Valley School Superintendent Dr. Daniel Castagna says his only concern with the pilot program was student privacy.
There is nothing identifiable by a student. It's not their face. It's an outline of an image. That's all we know. So then we can use our own internal cameras to choose what we want to see and what we can share.
While CurvePoint's focus is training this school to launch here in the coming months, momentum is building, with more districts eager to join, all united by a commitment to safety. In Collier Township, Nicole Ford, Channel 11 News.